Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Prime Minister Modi inaugurates cancer hospitals in Haryana and Punjab. Meghalaya Cabinet revises taxes of petrol and diesel in Meghalaya. Meghalaya Chief Minister rules out changing of MOU signed between Assam and Meghalaya to resolve boundary dispute in 6 locations. And DRDO and Indian Navy successfully flight test vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missile off Odisha coast. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the Amrita Hospital in Faridabad district in Haryana. Managed by Mata Amrita Nanda Mai Mart, the super speciality hospital will be equipped with 2,600 beds. The hospital, which is being constructed at an estimated cost of around Rs 6,000 crore, will provide state-of-the-art healthcare facilities and treatment to patients. Later, he also inaugurated Homi Bhabha Cancer Hospital and Research Centre at New Chandigarh in Punjab's Mohali. Speaking on the occasion, the Prime Minister said that with these modern medical infrastructure, cancer patients would get a much better treatment at affordable cost.
आज होमी भाभा कैंसर अस्पताल और रिसर्च सेंटर के तौर पर भी देश को एक आधुनिक अस्पताल मिला है। इस आधुनिक सुविधा के निर्माण में केंद्र सरकार के टाटा मेमोरियल सेंटर ने महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई है।
The State Cabinet today decided to revise the taxes on petrol and diesel in the state. Talking to reporters after the Cabinet meeting, Health Minister James Speaker Sangma said that the Cabinet has taken the decision after detailed deliberations, informing that the present rate of taxes on petrol is 13.5% or Rs 11 per litre. Sangma said that the taxes has been revised to 13.5% or Rs 12.5 per litre, whichever is higher, while the present rate of diesel is 5% or Rs 4 per litre. Health Minister said that it has been revised to 5% or Rs 5.5 per litre, whichever is higher.
Be Rs 1.92 cheaper than what it is in Assam. Along with this, I would also like to inform that despite the hike in our tax structure and the consequent increase in the oil in the prices of petrol and diesel, we are still, as a state, in terms of petrol and diesel prices, are the cheapest in the entire country.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Tuesday ruled out any changes in the Memorandum of Understanding signed between Meghalaya and Assam to resolve the interstate border dispute in 6 areas taken up in the first phase. The statement came from the Chief Minister after pressure groups met him and demanded to bring 3 villages, Joypur, Salbari and Hahuapara, back to Meghalaya. Speaking to media persons after the meeting, Sangma said the pressure groups raised concerns about some areas and government presented to them the historical facts and the 2011 report based on which the discussion had taken place. KSU President Lambok Marnar said Meghalaya and Assam are part of India and both governments can definitely discuss and make the correction.
So we will see how it moves forward. It's not something that I can commit right now, but let the process continue. And we have noted down the concerns of the honourable, the NGOs and the members from the different organizations, and we will see how to move forward in that.
We have witnessed the dissatisfaction, the disappointment of people of the border, particularly in the border area. So what we have to press to the government of today, in this meeting, that the government should find a way and mean how to address this problem. Yes, the government have made it very clear they cannot review the MOU. But we left on the wisdom of the government how to tackle, how to find a way and we address the issue.
The Trinamool Congress has asked the state government to revisit the MOU on boundary agreement signed with Assam. TMC President Charles Pangrove said that there has been opposition to the pact from various quarters. He also said that he would take up the matter in the upcoming autumn session of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly.
If it was all in order, why are there so many protests? Why is the case filed in the Supreme Court also regarding the MOU? So all that is an indication that all is not well with the signing of the MOU between the two states. Every discussion, the boundary issue comes up. So even now.
Union Minister of State for Railways, Coals and Mines, Rao Saheb Patil Danve, today visited Ribhoi district to review various developmental projects being implemented in the district since it is one of the aspirational districts. The Union Minister also visited Anganwadi Centre at Umdihar Village, Health and Wellness Centre, Umsao Nongkharai and Sidon Village, where he interacted with self-help groups over various schemes. Speaking on the occasion, the minister expressed his satisfaction that various schemes are being implemented in the right manner here. Defence Research and Development Organisation and Indian Navy successfully flight-tested vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missile from the integrated test range Chadipur off the coast of Odisha yesterday. The flight test was carried out from an Indian naval ship against a high-speed unmanned aerial target for demonstration of vertical launch capability. The missiles, equipped with indigenous radio frequency seeker, intercepted the target with high accuracy. The National People's Party today celebrated its 10th anniversary at the party office here in Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, National People's Party National President Conrad Sangma recalled that former president of the party, late Purno Ajitok Sangma, had launched the party in Meghalaya on this very day at the same place, even before it was launched at the national level. He said that the party has managed to overcome many of the challenges it had faced during its past 10 years. Other senior leaders of the party were also present on the occasion. Meanwhile, the foundation day of the party was also observed in Jowai, where Jowai MLA and District President Wailat Miki Shilla and others were present on the occasion.
And hence we are all here to look back on these 10 glorious years where we have all had us areas of struggle. The National People's Party and its members have gone through a lot of ups and downs, and it has been a very challenging last 10 years. But in spite of the challenges we faced, be it as a political party or be it as a government, we have been able to overcome those challenges.
The Federation of Persons with Disabilities today met Social Welfare Minister Kirman Chilla to impress upon the state government to fulfill their 5-point charter of demands. The 5-point charter of demands include increment of unemployment allowance for the persons with disabilities who have cleared the 10th standard onwards from 1,000 rupees to 3,000 rupees per month. Regularization of service of the PWDs who are also working as muster rolls in various departments under Group D category. Relaxation of upper age limit for recruitment of PWDs in government jobs from existing 42 years to 47 years, and to appoint 1 member in the MPSC and 1 each in all the 12 district selection committees to look after the job recruitment for PWDs.
Told them that from my ends and the departments, social welfare departments, we will try our very best to write a letter to Chief Minister or maybe the concerned department to look after this, so that we will follow it up and then we'll try to keep them the best we can, that which is their rights.
And a quick look at the weather now. The maximum temperature recorded was 27.3 degrees Celsius, the minimum 18 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 81%, while that in the evening fell to 61%. The forecast: light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at most places. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.